Hey guys, welcome to another finance tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to order Revolut card. First of all, open Revolut application and sign in with your account and scroll down and go to card section and click on get a new card. Click on add new button and you will get three different options like your physical card if you want physical card, virtual card, or just a single use card. Or for professionals or for kids. You can select any information or any option. So I will use this time single use and click on get a card for free. Now my Revolut card is ready to use. It will give me, the screen is black because Revolut application has restricted my screen recording and cannot show sensitive information on the screen. But in reality, I can see the card number, all the necessary information about the card, and I can use this card anywhere. You can order your physical card, your virtual card for anything else. So that's basically how you can order Revolut card. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.